In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Microsoft Edge from sharing your browsing data with Copilot. If you use Microsoft Edge on your computer, there's a setting that may allow Copilot to access the content of the pages you visit. If you'd rather keep that information private, the good news is that turning this off only takes a moment. I'm going to walk you through it clearly so you can follow along at your own pace. First, open the Microsoft Edge browser on your computer. Make sure the window's fully open so you can easily see the menu options we'll be using. Once Edge is open, go to the top right corner of the screen and click the three dots icon. This opens the main menu for the browser, where you'll find a variety of tools and settings. If you've never used this menu before, don't worry. It's the standard place to manage how Edge works. From the drop-down menu, look near the bottom and click Settings. This will open the main settings page in a new tab or panel, depending on your version of Edge. Next, look over to the left sidebar menu. In that list, click on Copilot and Sidebar. This section contains the settings related to Microsoft's built-in AI features and how they interact with your browsing experience. After that, in the main panel, click on Copilot near the top. This opens the specific settings for Copilot itself, where you can control what kind of access it has while you browse. Now, look for the setting called Allow Copilot to access page content. This is the option that controls whether Copilot can use information from the pages you're viewing. When you find it, toggle the switch next to that option to the off position. Once the switch is turned off, Copilot will no longer be allowed to access your page content through this setting, and that's it. With that one change, you've taken an important step toward protecting your privacy in Microsoft Edge and limiting how your browsing data can be used by Copilot. If you want to stay more in control of your online activity, it's a good idea to review browser privacy settings like this from time to time, especially after updates, since options can occasionally move or change. This quick adjustment can help you browse with a little more peace of mind.